Are you looking for a way to automatically sync new records from Airtable to Google Sheets? With ZZBots, you can now install this from our plugin store. This plugin contains one bot. This bot will monitor for new records in Airtable and then automatically sync them over as new rows in Google Sheets. If you are watching this video from YouTube or social media, start by clicking the link in the description. In ZZBots, click the Install button. If you don't already have an account, you will need to set up a free account before finishing the install. Then click Next. First, set up the connection with your Airtable account. After your account is connected, select the base and the table that you want to sync from. Next, set up the connection with your Google Sheets account. After your account is connected, select the spreadsheet and the worksheet that you want to sync to. Click Next and Install Now. After clicking Done, you will be redirected to the Bots page, where you can manage your bot, as well as configure your bot settings. To finish setting up your bot, here you will insert the field values from Airtable that you want to sync over with each corresponding column. In Google Sheets, the following example worksheet has the first name, last name, email, and phone number in columns A through D. In Airtable, this example table has the same corresponding fields. In ZZBots, you will insert the value of the corresponding Airtable fields into each column. This example shows columns A through D, but this can be customized to any number of fields and columns. After you finish configuring your bot, hit Save. After you save your bot, enable it by clicking here. You can test this sync by adding new records into Airtable. In ZZBots, your bots will automatically check for changes to sync over every 10 minutes or faster depending on your billing plan. You can manually check by hitting Check Now. Below the bot steps for each bot, you will see the bot history. The bot power used each time that your bot is triggered will be shown here. Bot power will not be used when your bot is checking for new data. Bot power will only be used when your bot successfully syncs new records from Airtable to Google Sheets. As you can see here, the new records in Airtable successfully synced over to Google Sheets as new rows. If you are looking for more ways to integrate your different apps together or automate your business, then be sure to hit that subscribe button and check out our other videos. If you have any questions, just chat with us on our website at zzbots.com and we'll be happy to help you.